In this video, I will share with you how you can easily log in Australian Post Employee. So if you want to log in, friends, go to Google, search for Australian Post Employee. This is the keyword, as you can see here. Click, scroll down till this option, click the first website here. You will see this page. From here, scroll down, click our post dashboard. When you click our post dashboard, you will see this ID. Just wait from here to be directed to log in this page. From here, log in with your Microsoft accounts. You can connection with other option here. You can use the GitHub. You can use PIN to log in, or you can go to Google, search for login Australian Post login. Click on scroll down, click on sign in option. You will see this page. From this page, you can log in without any problem. So basically, this is how you can do to log in. I hope this guide helpful for you. Don't forget, give like and give share this page.